Hello and good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you I'm a little bit like frazzled right now, mainly because literally I just got home and I was walking outside and it was so hot and humid and my hair just frizzed up, and I went because I had to pick up this package. Now this is a FedEx package, okay? I don't think I've ever gotten a FedEx package before. I've only ever gotten UPS, USPS, DHL, and I think one other type of shipping, like one other type of package. Unless that's it, then that's all. But FedEx is really weird in that they tried to deliver this package to my house one time. Just once. And after that, they decided to go leave it at Walgreens, which I guess is a normal thing because FedEx and Walgreens are together, I guess, like a couple. But I went over there, picked up an ice cream sandwich because I was at Walgreens and they had Mrs. Fields ice cream sandwiches, so why not? Then I also got some coffee, and now I am in my room getting ready to film this video right before I have to continue sewing a cosplay that I'm working on, and right before I pack for something that I have yet to announce, but will have already announced by the time this video goes up, I believe. So it's an interesting day. Bless you. I feel like this camera isn't quite right. I can't exactly get it right. I don't know what it is. I really liked the way that the last video on this channel was shot, and I can't seem to match that. Maybe if I zoom out a little bit. Looking like that. I think it's because I got the camera at the wrong angle. I'm just gonna let you know, guys, I'm gonna be so rambly right now because I am drinking a maple latte. That's the drink that I have, a maple latte. I think it needs to be tilted down a little more. Great. Now I have to see if it's level. Ah, YouTube life. Still not quite level. If I had a chair, this would probably be fine. I could talk to you guys like that. Alright, we're just gonna go back to where we were. Great. I don't even know where that was anymore. I feel like we're just back where we started. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is exactly where we started. Let's compare. Is that right? Alright, yeah, so apologies in advance for all of the hyperness that you will have to deal with right now. I already had some coffee today, so this is like my second thing. Oh, did I even tell you guys what is in this package? This is my purchase from Uniqso. So, this was purchased not too long ago, actually. I got expedited shipping because Uniqso was doing a promotion. And, I'm gonna check and see if they still are. I should probably check that before I even start the video, you know. But I'm just unprepared. So, let's see. Let's check their promotions. Oh, no, okay, so it wasn't free express shipping. It was express shipping for $9.90. It says, it has a picture of DHL, but this is from FedEx, so I think it's a little bit of both. So, what I did, I also got a discount because it was my first order, but I needed contacts for a cosplay that I'm doing for an upcoming convention, and I'm doing Ruby from Lovelock Sunshine. I was going to do Yohane, but the wig wasn't going to be here in time, so I'm doing Ruby. And I'll place a picture of her here, if you don't know who that is. I'm also doing Kotori, which is why I bought the other lenses from before, but because I'm addicted to shopping, I guess I decided I need to buy a couple more things from this website to make it worth my while, especially because I was getting $9.90 expedited shipping. So, I'm going to tell you right now when I made this purchase, and I'm going to give you that timeline before we break into this box. I'm so excited to get in there though. I just love getting packages, guys. Alright, so they've updated me so much on this. No, I'll just tell you about that later. I'm gonna be all over the place. I'm so sorry. So June 23rd is when I placed my order. June 28th is when everything shipped out. And they do say they give you the time frame for the lenses to be prepared when you place the order. So most of mine said 3 to 5 business days, and I think that was about right because, that was 5 days away. I don't know what day of the week the 23rd was. The 23rd was a Saturday. and then the 28th was a Thursday. So they prepared it pretty quickly. So, you know what I'm talking about, that doesn't process orders very quickly, or at least doesn't let you know that it's going to take that long to process. So Uniqso was great with the whole processing thing. After it was prepared and shipped, they updated me quite often, and they let me know that there was like a delivery exception on June 29th. I'm not exactly sure what a delivery exception means, but it looked like it had like a 5-minute delay in like Massachusetts or something. I'm not really sure why they felt the need to let me know about that, but it might have been it, because it was supposed to be here on the 29th, I think. It was out, oh no, it was out for delivery July 2nd, but it was supposed to be here, I think, the 30th or the 29th. And it didn't get here in time because of that delivery exception. But it was out for delivery July 2nd. The doorbell rang. Nobody answered it. So, unfortunately, they took it to Walgreens. So today is July 3rd when I'm filming this, and now I finally have my package. So just be aware of that. If you are in the US, I'm pretty sure that's why they ship it through FedEx, and that's their expedited shipping method. If you're not home, they might take it to a Walgreens. Just be aware of that. Also, sorry if you can hear fireworks outside. You know, it's the day before the 4th of July and the city is celebrating. Also, the Cubs won today, so go Cubs! Now, let's get into this package. Actually, no. Now, I'm going to tell you how I feel about the shopping experience. One, their website is pretty great. Like, it's really easy to navigate and really easy to find the different colored contact lenses that you want. Two, it's really easy to pick your lenses and like your prescription and stuff. The only complaint that I have is that when you search for lenses by prescription, they don't always give you, like, they'll give you results where your prescription is sold out. As long as they sell it in that prescription, it'll show up, which kind of stinks when you find the perfect lens for a cosplay and then they're sold out, so you can't get it unless you buy it next time. But it's like a minor complaint. So let's see how they package this. So inside there, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Inside of there is another package, but look at this. There's a little smiley face on there. Do you see it? It's mail time. I feel like we should sing that song every time I get a package. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna, well, mail. I told you guys, it's gonna be an interesting video. Are you okay? Come here. Come through here. Come through. Come through, Nano. I think my dogs want to say hi. Here's one. This is Nuggy, or Lithion. And this is Umbreon, or Nano. He's a picky dog, and he thinks he's a person. He complains a lot. You can watch some of my vlogs if you want to know more about that. But let's get into this. I'm ripping it open. Oh, I ripped through the smiley face. Oh, look at what he did. Oh no. My closet is exposed. Alright. So, right when I open, I see 2 free lens cases. Because I think you get a free lens case with every purchase, which is great. You can never have too many lens cases because you have to replace them all the time. And now, for the first lens. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it's got their brand on it, you know, Uniqso. And on the back it says, thank you, and there's a little teddy bear. And then you pull it out like this. Cool. Alright, which ones are these? It says made by Korea. These are Lens Story lenses. I've never purchased Lens Story lenses before. And these are in the shade. These are called Hanabi. And they've got my prescription. Oh, these are the pink ones. Pink. And again, it says thank you on the inside. I'm going to try so hard to get you guys to be able to see these, but I'm not sure how it's going to work. Oh my gosh, the packaging is adorable though. Yeah, I think I'm going to try and do close-ups afterwards because every single time that I try and get close-ups while I'm filming... What? You want food? I'm going to go get them some food. But every single time I try to get close-ups while I'm filming... Okay, just wait a second. Just let me finish this part. Every single time I try to get close up. Alright, I guess I'm getting in food first. As I was saying, every single time I try to get close-ups while I'm in the middle of filming, it always does something to the sensor and makes it so that it like stays blurry on my face for the rest of the time. So we're not gonna mess with that right now. We're just gonna go right into the next set of lenses. See, now he's happy. If you hear them eating now, that's why. Alright, so then we've got another one. It says, thank you. It's the darker one. Dee, 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 dee. And these are Barbie lenses. Big lenses. These are the ones for my Ruby cosplay. And I hope that they're gonna turn out okay, because you never know with the eye colors, because if you have brown eyes, it's gonna look different. These are gonna look different on you than they do on someone with blue eyes. I have blue eyes, and so a lot of these colors show up a lot brighter than they would on brown eyes. So this might be like a dark, vibrant green on brown eyes, and this might be like a neon green on my eyes. Then the last thing that I purchased so that I could get... I was supposed to get a free lens. I'm a little sad. I'm real sad, guys. I was supposed to get a free lens. I bought this so that I would get a free lens. I mean, it'll come in handy anyway, so I don't regret anything. But I do regret that I'm pretty sure this is like We Bare Bears or something. I've never seen that show. I wanted the Sumikagurashi ones. Alright, well, this is a lens case. A case for lens cases. And the reason that I got this is because when you go to a convention and you wear contacts, contacts can tend to bother your eyes, like these circle lenses. Some of them dry out fast, some of them are just kind of uncomfortable. So it's really nice if you can carry around your pair of circle lenses and carry around some extra contact solution so that you can remove them if you want and put in your normal contacts, like if you wear normal contacts. If you don't, then you just take them out and you put them in contact solution. That's great for you. You're super lucky. But I wear contacts on a daily basis so that I am not blind. And this will help me so that I can just throw this in my convention bag and I can wear my contacts and not have to worry about if they're going to be super uncomfortable and I want to take them out partway through the day. I won't have to go all the way back to my hotel room. So, woo, he's sticking. He's stuck on there. So this comes with a little pair of tweezers. I don't know anybody who uses these. Let me know in the comments down below if you use these, because these scare me. I feel like if I picked up my contact lenses with tweezers, I would puncture them. I would puncture them so bad. Then they've got a little contact lens solution holder. An eyeball plunger, I guess. I've never used one of these either. Again, let me know if you have. That's terrifying! Oh my gosh. Yeah, let me know if you've been brave enough to use this. What brave soul in the comments down below has used one of these before? Please let me know, and is it worth it? Now, these are my We Bare Bears contact lens cases. Now, I love cartoons, guys. I would have been so happy if these were like My Little Pony or Steven Universe or something like that. I've never seen this show. I've never seen We Bare Bears. Maybe I need to watch it just so that I know what these are. Oh my gosh. There's a swear word on one of these. I don't think these are all We Bare Bears because I'm pretty sure they don't swear in that show. But I feel like these 3 are We Bare Bears. Because I've seen the previews for the show. I've just never seen the actual show. So let me know in the comments down below if you watch this show. Are these the bears from We Bare Bears? And is it a good show? I gotta say though, I kinda like the one where he's eating popcorn. Not gonna lie, because that's me. But one of them has a swear word on it. And I don't like that. Not cool, guys, not cool. Alright. I'm still really sad that I didn't get my free lens. Yeah, it's nowhere in the bag. I'm gonna email them about it. And then, let me know in the comments down below if you guys want an update on where that goes, because I really doubt that they're gonna just send me the free lens. Only because they would have to pay for shipping for that. It was supposed to be one trial lens, but I was still looking forward to it, guys. You have no idea. I love getting free stuff, especially free food, but it would just be so awesome to get one free contact lens and like, Nuggie! And like put in 2 different types. I think that would be a lot of fun. And I was hoping to get a color that like I've never gotten before. Like maybe blue, even though my eyes are blue. I'd like to see my eyes as a bigger version of blue. Alright, I'm rambling again. I'm sorry guys, this video is going to be so long. What else do I need to say? Okay, so final thoughts. My final thoughts on Uniqso are that I had a great experience with them, and this is definitely the place that I will be buying from again if, well, not if, I'm definitely going to be purchasing from them again. I know it, because I already have my eye on a couple other contact lenses from the website, and I put them in my cart, and I saved them because they're other cosplays that I'm hoping to do in the future. This compared to Honey Color, Uniqso wins out in every category, except for customer service, because I didn't have to deal with Honey Color's customer service. But I actually should have shot them an email about the long processing time and asked what was up with that, because I was expecting to get my order faster. But for this, I am going to try and send them an email about the free contact that's missing and see what they say. But other than that, there are no negatives, except for maybe the little tiny hitch in the FedEx delivery, but that's honestly not their fault. That's a FedEx thing. So overall, again, I don't know if I should give a heart rating to this because this is only my first time shopping from them, but for a primary heart rating, I would say 4 hearts. I don't feel like I can give 5 because I haven't had to deal with their customer service yet. Once I do, then I'll be able to tell you guys if I update it, both to 5 hearts. Because I feel like they did a really great job at packaging. They bubble wrapped it and then they wrapped it in the FedEx paper. They're put in these little boxes. They were securely in there. I was a little afraid when I saw how big the envelope was that they were just rolling around in there, but they were securely packed. Everything looks good. Nothing came broken. The processing time was exactly what they said it was going to be, and the delivery time was super fast, which is especially good for people like me who do things kind of last minute. Speaking of which, I should get going because I have to go sew. If you guys are interested in seeing sewing videos, like cosplay process videos, let me know, because I'm working on making my own cosplays, and I'm in the process of doing that right now, and I realized as I was almost done with it that I could have kind of vlogged the whole thing and shown you guys what I did to make this cosplay. But that is basically it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that it wasn't too long to sit through, and I hope that you enjoyed it somewhat, and that you learned something new today, because learning is amazing. And let me know in the comments down below if you've purchased from Uniqso, and what do you think of their service? Have you had any problems with it? Do you enjoy it as much as I did this time around? Did they give you your free contact lens? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, and again, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all back here next time. Bye! Oh geez, I think that's too high. Oh no. So overall, this compared to what was even the name of the other one? When you don't recall, that's a bad sign. It's a bad sign for the company.